Hi, welcome to the Gardening Over 60 series, where it's never too late to get started gardening. I got arthritis in my 50s, and I thought gardening in retirement was just not going to happen for me. Let me tell you one thing, when they say getting old is not for wimps, they're just not kidding. 3 in 5 people over 50 have arthritis, and I was right there with them, looking at my backyard, wondering, how am I going to be able to garden when I retire? What turned it around for me was taking collagen. I'll put a link in the description so you can see what I use. I'm not a doctor or anything, but in a matter of a few months, my joints started to feel a lot better, and I was back to gardening outside. This is my garden now. I use mostly raised beds because they are a lot easier for us when we age. Gardening is incredible for your health after 60. It's a gentle strength and flexibility. By digging, planting, and reaching, it engages all kinds of muscles and joints in low impact ways, like nature's own physical therapy. And you have a sharper mind. Studies show gardening can reduce the risk of dementia by up to 36%. It also reduces stress and anxiety, and it gives you a purpose. Gardening gives you a living project, a reason to get up, and a natural conversation starter. Purpose is one of the greatest longevity factors of all, and it's shown to offer better sleep. And also, the best benefit to me is the nutritious food that you get. Now I'm going to talk to you about something called the blue zones. There are 5 different places in the world: Japan, Italy, Greece, Costa Rica, and here in California, where people don't just live longer, they live better. They're active into their 90s and 100s, with their minds sharp and spirits full. Researchers spent years trying to figure out, what do all these people have in common? If you've never heard of The Blue Zone by Dan Buettner, it's a great one to read, and he has several different books. I've left a link in the description for you to check it out. They found that only about 20% of how long we live is down to our genes. 80% is lifestyle. And one of the top lifestyle habits, moving naturally every single day. So through things like gardening, not because they have to, because it's part of who they are. This series is for all of us who refuse to slow down, who know the best years of our garden and our lives are still ahead. In this series, you'll learn some easy ways to grow your own food, including containers and hydroponics and some more ideas. So be sure to subscribe.